This is Esther.
This is Alfred.
Of You, Me, and Sicily. And in this episode, we're going to introduce you to a man who's been restoring Fiats and Mini Coopers for decades. And wait till you see these cars.
You know, one time they were manufactured in the province of Palermo, and they're selling great in America right now.
And Fiat used to stand for?
Fix it again, Tony.
Ha ha.
But now they're in really good condition.
Enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao.
Ciao.
The Fiat 500, or Cinquecento, is a legendary Italian icon that was first rolled out in 1957. The post-World War II inexpensive, light, compact car was built for Italian families and considered one of the first city cars. But its design and features transcend time, and today they are a hot and hip collector's item. Set against Mount Etna is Volcano Auto Services. Among its regular car repairs, it also restores and sells road-ready Fiat 500 and Minis worldwide under the name Volcano Restoration Project.
I'm here with Calogero with Volcanic Restoration Project. Look at these beautiful Fiat Cinquecento.
Meet Calogero Peresiliti Provenza, a man who has been working with Fiat 500s for over 45 years.
I started working on those small cars at the age of 10 years old, and that was in 1970.
At first, Calogero only did repairs, but over the years, he fell in love with the classic car and started fully restoring them.
What makes this Fiat Cinquecento so special?
Because it's so small, and it's the smallest car registered in the world. Because they started building those Fiat 500, this model, in the year 1956-57. We talking about a few years later after the World War II. The Fiat company, they built those type of cars, small and expensive, so all people was able to buy and drive.
For the family, so every family could have it.
Exactly, yes.
The first city car. Show me the engine, because the engine is very small.
Small, very small, compact, easy to work, air cooling system, only 500 cc, 2 cylinders.
There's not much you can fit in here, huh? Very small. Now that's cool.
Yes.
The Italian flag.
That's the
Perfect. These are called suicide doors, right?
Exactly. Suicide
and
doors.
look at the interior leather, correct?
Yes.
Beautiful color. This is a vanilla and then a mocha inside.
Exactly.
All original,
Yes.
even the wheel.
Yes.
And this one is a cherry red. And look at the inside. Beautiful white and red. Look at that wheel. Gorgeous. What is the fastest this can go?
We can see on the speedometer 110, 120 kilometers per hour. That means about 60 miles per hour.
This is the car Boneyard. Most of the time, Calogero first receives the Fiat just like this, a skeleton.
And this is how you receive them. Look at this.
Exactly.
It's a mess. How long does it take you from when you receive a car looking like this to when it's on the for sale lot?
Sometimes we do the work slow if we don't have already a buyer. If we already have a buyer in this condition and they give us a deposit, we go ahead and do it fast, 3, 4, 5 months. It's, starting from the body and then the mechanical and then the interior and everything else. We put a brand new parts. This is brand new, this is brand new, that's brand new. Yes.
A lot of work and a lot of money goes into this.
Yes, yes. The body has all of the new parts, new paint. Now the chrome piece, the gasket, everything is new.
Each car is specialized if someone wants something special.
Yes, exactly. If somebody asks me air condition system, we go ahead and install air condition system. No problem.
They didn't have that back then, huh? This car, baby blue, beautiful. How old is this?
This was built on the year 1973.
Convertible?
Yes.
Top? Wow.
Yes.
Imagine riding around with this.
I open for you.
Now that's styling. Okay, I must try this. What do you think? Imagine riding around, driving with one of these.
I've always wanted to drive one of these cars, and this was my chance.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
After a few false starts, I was off.
Alfred, I had so much fun driving that little car.
Yeah, we got to see our old Fiat Punto, the 2000, the magic carpet that took us all over the place, which is resting comfortably there in retirement now.
She served us well.
She sure did.
And if you're interested in purchasing one of these Fiats or Minis, contact us. We'll put you in contact with Fiat Restoration Project. And also, if you've missed any of our episodes or would like to buy a t-shirt, a book, or anything else, contact us, www.youmeandsicily.com.
Don't forget our Facebook page. She always forgets our Facebook page.
You, me, and Sicily. Ciao.
Ciao.